Hi, and welcome to BadgeHub. Today we'll go over how to download and install the BadgeHub data connector. To begin, sign in to your BadgeHub portal. Once logged in, click on Support on the left side of the screen, and from the drop-down menu, select Download. Under the Data Connector section, click the Download button and wait a few moments for the file to download. Once the download is complete, open the file. Right-click on Setup and select Run as Administrator. The installer will launch. Wait for it to load, then click Next. Accept the license agreement by selecting I accept the terms in the license agreement, then click Next. Continue clicking Next until you reach the screen asking for your user account name and password. Enter your username and password, then click Next. Now click on Install. Wait a few moments for the installation to complete. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. You have now successfully installed the BadgeHub data connector. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. We're always here to help.